NVIDIA, a name that resonates with innovation and technological prowess. Just the name sends shivers down the spines of tech giants and day traders alike. It's a name synonymous with cutting-edge technology and relentless progress. Why? Because NVIDIA is more than just a company, it's a force of nature, a driving force that shapes the future of technology. They're the brains behind the best graphics cards, powering everything from gaming PCs to cutting-edge AI. Their technology is the backbone of modern computing. We're talking self-driving cars, folks. Vehicles that navigate themselves thanks to NVIDIA's advanced AI systems. We're talking about the metaverse, a virtual universe where NVIDIA's technology creates immersive experiences. NVIDIA is there. Wherever you look, their influence is undeniable. Remember when video games looked like pixelated messes? NVIDIA changed the game. They revolutionized the way we experience digital worlds. They made graphics realistic, immersive, and mind-blowing, transforming simple pixels into lifelike images. But they didn't stop there. They saw the future, a future where AI and advanced computing redefine our world, and the future is AI, intelligent systems that learn, adapt, and evolve. It's data centers crunching numbers faster than you can say cryptocurrency, massive computational power at work. NVIDIA's chips are the unsung heroes of the AI revolution, the silent engines driving progress. They're the workhorses behind the scenes making sure the magic happens, ensuring that every calculation, every process is executed flawlessly. And believe me, the magic is just getting started. NVIDIA is everywhere, in every corner of our digital lives. They're in your phone, in your car, maybe even in your toaster soon. Their reach is expanding. Okay, maybe not the toaster, but you get the point. NVIDIA's influence is vast and growing. All right, let's talk numbers. As of today, January 28, 2025, NVDA is trading at, well, you can check the ticker for the exact price, but let me tell you, it's not for the faint of heart. This stock has been on a tear, and for good reason. They're the top dog in a rapidly growing market. Short-term, analysts are bullish. Demand for their chips is through the roof. Everyone wants a piece of the AI pie, and NVIDIA is holding the recipe. But remember, the market can be a fickle beast. Short-term fluctuations are inevitable. Don't panic sell if you see a dip. Now let's gaze into our crystal ball and talk long-term, 2025 to 2030. This is where things get really interesting, folks. The AI market is projected to explode. We're talking trillions of dollars, folks. And guess who's perfectly positioned to ride that wave? You got it, NVIDIA. Analysts are predicting some serious growth. We're talking potentially doubling, tripling, maybe even quadrupling your money. Now I'm not making any promises here. Investing always comes with risks, remember that? But with NVIDIA, the potential upside is huge. Section 4. Decoding the crystal ball. Technical indicators and NVDA. Let's talk techie stuff, but in plain English. Technical indicators are tools that help traders and investors make sense of market movements. They can be complex, but we'll break them down. Think of technical indicators as your stock market compass. They guide you through the noise and help you understand the market's direction. They give you a sense of where the herd is going. Are investors feeling confident or fearful? Are they buying or selling? First up, the Fear and Greed Index. This indicator measures the emotions driving the market. It combines several factors to gauge whether investors are feeling greedy or fearful. This tells you if investors are feeling bullish or greedy or bearish, which means fearful. It's a quick way to get a read on market sentiment. Right now, for NVDA, it's looking pretty greedy. Investors are optimistic about the company's future prospects. People are excited about the future. This optimism can drive the stock price higher, but it's important to stay cautious. Then we got the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. This indicator measures the speed and change of price movements. Think of it like a car's RPM gauge. It tells you if the stock is overbought or oversold. If it's too high, the stock might be overbought. This could indicate that the stock is due for a pullback. Too low, it might be oversold. This could be a buying opportunity if the stock is undervalued. NVDA's RSI has been high, but that's not always a bad thing in a bull market. It can indicate strong momentum. Finally, moving averages. These smooth out the price trends, so you're not distracted by every little blip. They help you see the bigger picture. NVDA's moving averages are pointing up, which is a good sign. It suggests that the stock is in an uptrend and investors are confident in its future performance. Section 5. The ROI equation. Unlocking value with NVIDIA. Now, let's talk ROI, return on investment. It's the name of the game, right? You want to know how much money you can make. With NVDA, the potential is huge. But remember, potential doesn't mean guaranteed. Imagine this. You invest $10,000 in NVDA today. If it doubles in 5 years, you've got $20,000. Triple, and you're looking at $30,000. Quadruple? You're laughing all the way to the bank with $40,000. But here's the deal. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The market can change on a dime. That's why you gotta do your research, spread your risk, and invest for the long haul. Section 6, NVDA, Navigating Bullish and Bearish Waters. Let's be real, folks. The stock market is a roller coaster. It's a wild ride that can be both thrilling and terrifying, often at the same time. There will be ups and downs, peaks and troughs, moments of euphoria and times of despair. Bull markets, where prices are rising, can feel euphoric. It's like everything you touch turns to gold. Everyone's making money, and it seems like the good times will never end. The optimism is contagious, and confidence is at an all-time high. But then comes the bear market, when prices are falling. The mood shifts dramatically. Suddenly, that euphoria turns to panic. Fear takes over, and the market sentiment becomes overwhelmingly negative. People start selling, prices drop even further, and it feels like the world is ending. The fear of losing money can be paralyzing. But here's the thing, bear markets are a natural part of the cycle. They are not the end of the world, but rather a phase that eventually passes. They're a chance to buy great companies at a discount. Savvy investors see bear markets as opportunities rather than threats. So, what does this mean for NVDA? How should investors approach this stock in such volatile times? Well, no one can predict the future with 100% certainty. The market is inherently unpredictable. But NVDA has a few things going for it. They are positioned well in the market. They're the leader in a rapidly growing market. Their technology is cutting edge and in high demand. They have a strong track record of innovation. Their ability to stay ahead of the curve is impressive. And they have a CEO who's a visionary. Jensen Huang's leadership has been instrumental in driving the company's success. Section 7. The future is green, a final word on NVIDIA. So, is NVDA a good buy? Here's the bottom line. If you believe in the future of AI, if you believe in the metaverse, if you believe in the power of technology to change the world, then NVDA should be on your radar. But remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, understand the risks, and invest only what you can afford to lose. The stock market can be a wild ride, but with the right mindset and a little bit of luck, it can also be your ticket to financial freedom.